Hi, friends. Welcome to week 12. Now, we all know that distance learning means we're not allowed to have any fun. It's got to be boring. We can't have anything exciting happen this week at all, right? I'm just kidding. So, I've been missing our class a whole lot, especially some of the tricks our friend Noelle likes to play on us. So, here she is right here playing a trick on the class through distance learning. We will have fun this week. This week, I have something so fun and exciting planned for you. We are going on a European vacation. That's right. We are going to take a tour of Europe digitally. So, we are going to spend today working out the legwork. We're going to plan a trip. We're going to learn about the parts of planning a trip. We're going to talk about differences in planning a trip virtually and planning a trip in person. This week we'll also talk about different kinds of trips. Today we will talk a little bit about getting a passport. We'll also talk about a cruise, because that's another kind of a trip. We will talk about the things that you'll need to pack for a trip, and we'll talk about the expenses of a trip as well as how to travel, because there's a lot of different ways you can travel depending on where you're going. So, like I said, we're going to be going to Europe this week. We will do the planning, learning about the planning today, and tomorrow we'll land in our first country. All of our subjects, English, math, social studies, and science, will all be about that country. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. So today, you're going to listen to a read aloud about traveling for English. For math, you're going to watch and listen to a video of math problems relating to travel featuring two students. Every day, students will be featured in these problems. So we'll have two every single day who are going to be in the problems. And you can solve these problems at home. You can pause at any time. I won't put that in the video, but at any point you can stop the video, solve it on your own, and then you can go back. If you guys can hear a little snorting in the background, sorry, Gus just decided to join the class. For science, today you'll be watching a video about how flight works. I have a few experiments ready to go this week as well. And for life skills today, I want you to talk to someone at home about how you pack for a trip. There's some details on our dojo post, but I want you to think about some things that you pack are weather dependent. So, how might you pack for going to some place that's hot or tropical? Like if you were going to Disney World in the summertime or Hawaii, that's going to be a lot different than if you were going to someplace really cold. Like if you were going to a ski resort, um, or if you were going to Alaska, one of those, they have cruises, Noel. They have cruises that go through Alaska, and it gets pretty chilly out there. I think the highest it got when I was out there was only 72 degrees. So you would dress a little bit different going to some place like that than you would for a place like Hawaii. So I want you to discuss the different things you might pack, and then also there's some things that you're going to bring no matter where you're going. I want you to think health and safety, okay? How are you going to take care of your body when you go on trips? It doesn't matter what the weather's like outside. Alright, friends, that's it for our introduction video. I hope you have fun with our virtual field trip this week.